In this video, we'll show you how to split a cell in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you've come across this from a Google search or a YouTube search, you're going to be both disappointed and pleased because you're going to find out that it is not actually possible to split a cell in Excel like you can in Word. So in Word, you can just click on a cell, click split cells, and that's it, it's done. In Microsoft Excel, when I very first started learning about it, I searched for hours for how to do this and it's just not there. 18 years later, I'm still looking, there's no feature to split a cell. So instead, we're going to show you how to do this workaround. So let's imagine you've decided that you want to split this name surname column into two columns. Rather than splitting these cells, what we need to do is insert a new column between columns B and C. To do this, you just need to select the column to the right of where you want to insert them, so that's column C. Right click up here where the letter is and select insert. So now we've got a new column. And to make it look as if they've been split, maybe you'd want to merge some of the cells above or below. So for the column heading, we just highlight these two cells and click merge in center, and that's going to make that merge across the top of those two. Now all that remains to do is to split the data between these two columns, which is kind of out the scope of this tutorial really, but I'll quickly show you how to do a flash fill. So if I just start typing in the first names of all these people over here, Excel will fill in the rest. It's done it. So then I can type in the surnames now. Once you've done a few, Excel will realize what you're trying to do and it's filled in the rest. So if I copy these, paste them into where we need the data to go, I'll just paste the values, then delete these. That's filled it in. If that's a bit too advanced for you, you can just type it in individually. Anyway, good luck. Let's see how you get on. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade, or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.